Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside YouTube Studio, sign in and open content so you can access the video immediately. Once there, click the video and open the editor to reveal the timeline. This gives visual handles you'll trim. Make sure you note rough start and end timestamps before moving fast because precise markers save time. Now drag the blue trim handles to a close approximation of the section you want to keep, and pause to check playback so you know you're on the right segment. Once you've set a rough range, zoom the timeline so you can make frame-accurate cuts. This avoids sloppy edits. Use play and pause while watching, then nudge the handles with arrow keys to adjust by small increments, which is crucial for clean speech cuts. If you need to remove a middle portion, place the playhead where you want to cut and hit split. Delete the unwanted clip, then drag remaining clips together to close the gap. Make sure audio flows naturally before saving. Now preview the entire trimmed video from start to finish so you confirm audio sync, transitions, and that nothing important was clipped. Once satisfied, choose Save or Save as to preserve the original. Remember, processing can take minutes depending on length. If save fails or you see glitches, revert to the previous version or re-edit the cut points, and make sure to clear browser cache or try another browser if playback is corrupted. Finally, re-preview after processing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.